Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, this is a quick update on MilkyWay. So this video is mainly for those of you participating in the MilkyWay Airdrop campaign and those of you willing to participate in the MilkyWay Airdrop campaign. So I'm going to tell you guys the latest updates happening around MilkyWay and what to do. So for those of you participating in MilkyWay Airdrop since last year, or those of you that started early this year. So guys, according to MilkyWay, they are going to give out a reward for those of you that participated in the MilkyWay program. So now, looking on the screen, this is the official S account. OG Milkers, your cartons are here. Grab it now at MilkyWay Points. This reward is to differentiate early adopters and those coming into the Milktia point system now. So you can see they divided it into first tranche, second tranche, third tranche, fourth tranche. Yeah, fourth tranche is the last, and the value of 2 Milktia or more will receive a carton. So for those of you that want to know how you can claim your carton, make sure to watch this, because this is a multiplier for your Milktia points. So you can see they have divided it. You can see first tranche is from the 18th of December 2023 to 14th of February 2024. You can see that of second tranche and the rest. So I made a video about them on the 27th of February 2024. So I think we are going to fall into the second tranche for those of us that watched the video and decided to partake in it. And Milktia is a project rewarding tier stickers. So if you have tier in your Kepler wallet or any of your centralized wallet, you can stake it on Milktia for you to get the Milktia point, which is going to be converted to their utility token at TGE. So they're going to launch their own chain very soon under Cosmos ecosystem. So make sure to partake in it. So for you to partake in it, I'm going to drop a link at the description of this video. We already made a video about it on how to partake. You just need to hold tier, then you stake it. So you just click on stake here, then you stake the amount that you want. So 2 tier above, recommend you stake 2 tier above depending on the amount of tier you want. Then you can start earning points. So this is my point so far. So I made a video about them. I'm going to drop you a description of this video. For those of you interested, please make sure to use my link. I'm going to drop you a description of this video. So those of you that participated in the Milktia point system airdrop, what you just need to do is to click here. So I'm using an extension browser. So you just need to click on your point. Then it's going to bring you here. So now what you just need to do is to click on M reward. Now you're going to see claim badge. So just click on the badge. Now you click on claim badge. Alright guys, so it's going to direct you to your Kepler wallet. Since now you just click on approve. Alright guys, so you can see claim successful. So this is how to claim the badge on Milktia. So users with a major value of 2 tier. Okay, so this is the one I qualified for. So this is the tranche I qualified for. So I think this is the second badge. Yeah, this is the second tranche. So this is what I qualify for. Alright guys, so this is the latest update you should know about MilkyWay. According to them, their TGE is around the corner. I'm still going to keep you guys updated, mainly those of you participating in the airdrop campaign. And if you want to start, I'm going to drop a link at the description of this video for you to watch the video to see how you can start. So you are not too late to it. You just need to stake your celestial token tier to the ecosystem, then you start earning points. So at any time you can withdraw your tier if you want. If you are tired of it, you can withdraw your tier. So let's just hope at the end it is profitable, most especially those of you holding celestial token for long term. Instead of you just leaving it in your wallet, you can just take it on Milktia to get some points and stay positioned for the MilkyWay airdrop in the future. So guys, I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal greens to your wallet.